Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the position size calculator on TradeLocker. And it's quite simple because if we have here the chart of Bitcoin to USD, we click here on this icon right here. And now if we select here the point where Bitcoin is standing, we can calculate or increase and decreases very easily. So let's say we hold this and throw it a little bit to low, 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 low. You will see right here that we have here a loss of 332 Bitcoin. Or what we can do is do this for the upper one, and we can go up if you want to. So let's say we want a 1% of increase. And this is how you can measure your position size on the chart. So let's say right now we want to buy something, then we go into the arrow and click here on buy. And now if you do stop loss or take profit, we can throw this to the position where we want to take profit and take this to the position where we want to do a stop loss. Then right now, this is exactly the trade that we measured here a few seconds ago. So right now we can fill in the lots that we want to use. So let's use a amount of, let's say, 10 grand, that will be fine. And now we do buy and do confirm. And now we created a nice trade with a take profit and a stop loss with the position size that we created with this nice tool right here for our position. So this is how you can use the position calculator on TradeLocker. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.